Can a monkey trick a crocodile? Let's find out. One day, a hungry crocodile came looking for food.
I have some sweet fruits to share.
Wow, thank you. They look delicious. And they became friends. He even took fruits home for his wife. But one day, the crocodile's wife said,
"If the monkey eats such sweet fruits, his heart must be even sweeter. Bring me his heart."
The crocodile invited the monkey for a ride across the river. But in the middle, he revealed the truth.
I did it.
Oh no! I left my heart on the tree! As soon as they returned, he jumped to safety. Never be foolish and always use your brain! Not today, Slowpoke! Ha! Intelligence saves you from danger!
Follow for more fun stories.